Student A, hi, how are you doing? It's been a while. I want to know more about your diet routine. What do you do every day? Student B, hey, I'm great, thanks. Well, my days are busy. Activity 1, affirmative. I get up early and I study English in the morning. Activity 2, affirmative. Then I cook lunch for my family. Activity 3, affirmative. In the afternoon, I do homework in the bedroom. Student 8. That sounds like a busy morning. And what about the things you don't do? Student B. Let's see. Activity 1, negative. I don't work on weekdays. Activity 2, negative. And don't play video games because I don't have time. Student A. Oh, I see. Watch questions time. What time do you cook lunch? Student B. I usually cook lunch at 12:30 p.m. Yes, no question. What about you? Do you have a routine? What do you do? Student A. Yes, I do. Activity 1, affirmative. I exercise in the park every morning. Activity 2, affirmative. Then I attend my university class. Activity 3, affirmative. And I watch TV in the evening to relax. Student B. Nice. Is there anything you don't do during the day? Student A. Yes. Activity 1, negative. Don't eat fast food from Monday to Friday. Activity 2, negative. And I don't study late at night because I prefer to sleep early. Student B. That's a very healthy routine. What question time? When do you exercise in the park? Student A. I exercise at 6 a.m. before my classes. Student B. Wow, what's really early? Well, it was great talking to you about your routines. Student A. Same here. Have a great day. Bye. Student B. Bye.